Hey guys, so today I'm making some curry lamb. Alright, so if you'd like to see how I make this recipe, just keep watching the video. So I'm using lamb chops cut into smaller pieces. I already washed my meat and now I'm gonna season it. So I'm using some green seasoning. I'll link a video down below of how I prepare my green seasoning mix. So basically my green seasoning mix have a bunch of seasonings like parsley, cilantro, onion, garlic. This time I put ginger in it. Alright, so there's ginger, pimento peppers, all that good stuff. And I'm just gonna pour some of that onto the lamb. And you could also buy green seasoning in the Caribbean section of your grocery store, okay? So you could buy it store-bought. So now I'm adding some more seasonings. I'm adding some garlic powder, some onion powder. I'm also gonna add salt, black pepper, paprika, a little bit of ground cumin, and ground coriander. And of course, curry powder. Can't forget the curry. Okay, so mix all of those seasonings together with the lamb. You're gonna cover it and let it marinate for at least 1 hour, but preferably overnight so it can absorb all of that good flavor. Alright guys, so now let's start cooking our curry lamb. So I'm getting my pot, and once it's nice and hot, I'm gonna add just a little bit of oil in there. You don't want to add too much oil. And then I'm gonna add some more curry powder into my pot, and I'm also gonna add in some turmeric powder. As always, I will list the ingredients and the measurements I'm using in the description box down below for you guys, okay? So I'm gonna give that a quick stir, and next I'm gonna grate in some fresh ginger, just a little bit, and I'm gonna let that ginger and curry cook for about 2 minutes, just so the curry can cook a little bit. And next I'm gonna add in the lamb. So add in the lamb and mix it in with the curry and let that cook for about 2 minutes. Next I'm gonna add in some water. Alright, so add in the water and again give that a good stir. Then I'm gonna cover my pot and let it come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, I'm gonna let the lamb cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then I'm gonna uncover it, and at this point my heat is on medium to medium low heat, and I'm gonna taste the sauce and adjust my seasoning. So to see if I need to add more salt, and I did need more salt. And I'm also gonna add just a little bit more of the ground coriander, and just adjust your seasonings as needed. So if you need more onion powder, garlic powder, whatever you need. And then we're gonna cover back the pot and let the lamb take its time and cook. So mine took about an hour and a half to cook. You want it to be nice and tender. Alright, and once the lamb meat is tender, I'm gonna go in and add some potatoes cut into cubes and some sliced carrots. So once you're able to, like, the meat is able to fall apart a little, you're gonna go in and add your potatoes and carrots, because the potatoes is gonna take about 30 minutes or so to cook. So I'm gonna add in the potatoes. Make sure you cut them into smaller cubes so that way they'll cook easier, faster. And yeah, we're gonna let that cook until the potatoes is soft. Once you're able to poke the potatoes with a fork or a knife and it breaks good enough. If you'd like to thicken the sauce a little bit, just use a fork to break up some of the potatoes to thicken the sauce, alright, to mash it up. And after that, the last thing I'm gonna add is some freshly chopped cilantro, and then I'm gonna turn my pot off. If you want, you can let it cook for 2 more minutes and then turn your pot off. And that's it, you guys. That's how I prepare my curry lamb. So delicious, so yummy. And today I paired my curry lamb with some bus-up shot. It's also good with some white rice or just in a regular roti. So however you'd like to eat it, it's so good with roti. So yeah guys, that's how I ate mine. Curry lamb and bus-up shots, so delicious. But that's it for today's recipe. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I hope you give the recipe a try, and I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy watching my videos. And here I'm adding just a little clip of my bust-up shot. If you'd like a recipe on it, I'll link it down below for you guys. I already have a video up on making this. Okay, so bye.